Right. So I pulled out the low side, and you'll notice I've got an array of these. These are the low side ones. I've got an array of these ones here. Right, these are MOSFETs. Right, and now I put two LEDs in. Basically, they're just a circuit, just so you can see which side is being pulled which way, and it gives it a small amount of load. And so now you can see this is the blue line, the output line, is dropping to the middle and then rising back up again. Right, now what's happening on the input is the input is going from high to low and then back to high. It's not got an intermediate stage in there, and because it's only the high side that's connected, then basically it's pulled high now. This is going low, so the high side one switches off, which means it goes to the center because there's nothing to pull it lower at the moment, and then goes back to high. If I put the low side one in, yeah, and if you just pull the wire out and put the low side one in, it basically blows it. There doesn't appear to be any reason for that, because you can see the gate's working fine, and it's within the tolerance of the gate, right? And I've even put the 100 ohm resistor in there as well, and it just blows it. So these things are actually very shit. It's either that, or for some reason the stuff that I've got isn't actually what I bought. These are NMOS, right? N-channel MOSFETs, right? And they're 60 volts. They can take 60 amps on the drain source. They can take 60 amps. And I checked the data sheet just to double check to make sure that I'm within the rating, and it says gate source is plus or minus 20 volts, right? I'm using a 9 volt power pack, which is perfectly adequate for turning it on, right? The wiring is correct, everything. I just don't understand why these heavy load my arse, no load and it blows it. I don't understand what the crack is. I mean, this is my problem. Basically, these low side ones are not operating at all. They're basically just shorting. And so the high side one is basically pulling it up against it. Shit. And so it's not working. The circuit's not working. I don't get it at all. And it works fine until I connect the gate. And then it just blows. So I need to do some research.